All right. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on a program I've been working on my spare time for about a year now. And what it does is it provides a rather interesting way of doing keyboard input with only one hand, leaving your other hand available for other stuff, like using the mouse, so you can work with, let's say, the same kind of workflow that you would use playing an FPS game, which is, needless to say, really efficient, and I for one hate to moving my hands while working. However, this is primarily thought as a thought experiment, and it should be regarded as thought experiment or something. So as you can see, you can move the window like most Linux users would be accustomed to, while holding down Alt and simply moving it. I've decided to remove the borders from it by default and so forth, and I made the window transparent as a part of the method that you use to input keys requires you to see the actual keyboard on the display all the time, as you will see soon. What you see here are a couple of matrices or whatever, and all of these corresponds to a key. This one is on Q, for example, so if I press Q, I get to select from these. And then if I want to do an A, I press Q again, and we're back to the start. This one would be connected to W, so W opens it, and if I decide, I don't want to pick any of those, I simply press left shift, and I get back to the original layout. So let's say I want to print out the string hello world. How do I do it? Yes, I start out with Q and then F for H. Then I do Q again, second row, look at your keyboards, A. And then Q again, L again, L again, and unless you're not very intellectually talented, you should have gotten the hang of the system again. And in order to do a space, we will go down here, and which would be A, and then F for space, and W again, and C to put out a W. And so on. So there we go, and then we can edit a period at the end. So this is basically it.